Today's video from SharpHelp, we're taking a look at how to load the memory protection batteries on the XEA137 or 147 registers. So the batteries should be changed approximately every 12 months, but also if you ever get a display like this, which means there's no batteries in, or the L symbol, which means the batteries are running low, then you need to install the new batteries. And obviously the batteries don't give the till any power, but they do act as a memory backup, so they preserve all your sales data and all your programming data should the machine get switched off. So it's really important that you don't turn the till off when you've got either of the low battery or no battery indicators on, because you risk losing your programming and sales data. So don't turn the key to the void mode or the off mode, keep it in REG and get the new batteries loaded as soon as you can. So the way you do that is lift off the printer cover here, and then there's a battery compartment which you'll see better now. There's a little lever here, put that like that, a little lever, you pull that up and then the battery compartment comes off, enabling you to remove the existing batteries if they're already in there, or load brand new ones if you've not put them in yet. So you need 3 AA batteries, obviously put them in with the right positive and negative signs. As soon as they're in, the symbol disappears, and then you can put the battery cover back over, which just keeps them out of the way. Put your receipt cover back on. Probably worth feeding through a bit of paper just to make sure the paper comes through the receipt slot okay. And now the till's ready to use, safe in the knowledge that you haven't lost any sales or programming data. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the XEA137 and other Sharp cash registers, which you're welcome to check out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.